Now we are on the Limitation Users tab of the QuizMaker plugin. Let me explain you one of the advanced features of the QuizMaker plugin. Here you can see maximum number of attempts per user option, with the help of which you can set a limitation for the quiz. By scrolling down a little bit, you will see Turn on Extra Security Check option. If you have enabled a limitation for the quiz and don't want your users or students cheat during it, you can make use of the Turn on Extra Security Check option. If this option is disabled, the user can refresh the quiz before clicking on the Submit button and pass it again. If this option is enabled, attempt is counted when the user clicks on a Start button, so there is no chance to cheat. By enabling this option, when the attempt limit of the quiz has reached and a user tries to open the quiz in more than one tap simultaneously, the results of their additional attempt will not be stored.